electrical installation, plumbing, wall installation, plumbing. So all that services. Basically, there is a one team which is the part of material management. So that team will handle all the external service operation. SCS team, they will do the service entry sheets. And if new vendor come, they will give one service number to that vendor and they will inform that you can use that vendor to perform the activity. Okay, so currently let me assign one service normal. I don't know it will take or no. Okay, quantity 10 unit of measure, like I will make hours only. So they will come for 10 hours. Okay, and their price will be 100 euro. Okay, so before performing activity, you need to take the service number from material management team. That you can send the mail, like a supervisor will send the mail. We are starting the overhauling of the please inform which vendor will support. Then they will communicate the vendor, they will give the service number, and that service number we need to assign here. Okay. So let me go back for this also. Same service number, how many hours we required, what will be it. Right, so here I will do. Again, there will be multiple vendors you require, not a single vendor. So you can assign the multiple. Okay. Let me save the order. Okay. So currently, okay, order in process. So system is taking time to process the order. Okay. So currently we have added PM01, 02 and 03. Okay. So right now we will proceed. Let me check once the external. Okay, services. Service selection. Just I need to check. System has performed PR or nothing. Okay, let me go here. Calculation. So there is one setting where PR will be created in the background. So actual date. Okay. So PR has been created. Let me go back. I need to check for PM02 PR has been created or not. Okay, great. So if you see, this activity involve contract labors and third party operation. So there will be some costing will be there. So how we can pay them? So in the background, PR has been generated 170. So that PR, via this PR, we can capture the cost. Let me double click. So that PR will be open. So I will close overview. Okay, contract labor header. So once we perform our activity, the EMM team will process that PR to PO. PO means purchase order. After that, PO will be converted into MIGO. So after that, there will be invoicing done, and that person will get their charges. whatever the activity they have done, they our company will pay them. Okay. So this is control key we have added. Okay. So right now we will go to the stock component and non-stock component. So I will select. So this is first operation and second operation. So for first operation, let me add one stock component. So this is stock component. So here you will see base unit of measure. So for this, what quantity means each or pieces or kg in which this base unit of measure means this component unit of measure will be assigned here. Secondly, here item category. So this is most important part. If you choose as a L means you are maintaining this material in your warehouse like a seal or gasket, small atom you are maintaining, just stock atom, require quantity 2, just enter. For operation 0, 0, 1, 0, enter. So for this, if you see, there will be reservation. So again, 261 moment type, you can do the goods issue and you can withdraw the material from the warehouse. In second case, you don't have the stock. So in second case, if any coupling is damaged or any issue and it's not available with you. So for non-stock material, component number will not be required or will not be available. So coupling, okay. So I just coupling, okay. And 2 quantity coupling I require, and this is non-stock, and just enter. Operation, second operation. Okay, please enter the unit of measure. Each, okay. So 2 nodes coupling required. So in background, system can deliver image. Okay, yes. So just go to purchasing data. You will see purchase requisition. So once you double click item 60, you will see item 60, second operation. What happens? Item 60. Material group, quantity 2, display purchase requisition. Okay. Okay, header data. What is it? Oh. So basically in the config, it's again showing the same work order. Basically PR. So basically PR should be 172 for this, but there is some configuration issue. So we will do one thing. For stock and non-stock, we will create a new work order. I will close as of now. Okay. Okay. No issue. So I will just save this and we will proceed for our labor. Only labor. I will remove this also. So only operation we will see here. Okay. So our PR will be what PR we need to see this 170. So we need to proceed this PR. So we will start our activity. So I will just see message where issue cost were calculated. Okay. I will release permit still missing, no problem. I will issue the permit. The release. Let me check some cost. Message where issue cost were calculated. Okay. Okay. So this is the cost. External service overhead. I will just do one thing. I will take some screenshot. Okay. So this is the cost, plan cost, actual cost. We will just see how the cost will differ. So estimated cost, plan cost, actual cost. So let's start. So for internal labor, once they will start the activity, we will do confirmation via IW41. So /IW41. They have started the activity and activity has been completed. 41. Enter. Okay, so two operations are there. Okay. Propose date, propose activity. Okay, PM01. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I will go inside. I will final confirmation, clear permission, work done. This is first operation. And personal number, let me add. So HRMS data is not aligned here, but I will add. Okay. Work done. Okay, and save. Okay. /IW32. Just go and see CNF. Yes, confirmation has been done. Estimated cost. So let's see in our cost tab. Okay. Okay, 300. Okay, overhead cost is still there. Okay. So I will proceed with reservation. So this part you will not perform. Material management team will perform that part, but for training purpose, I will show you. So just this reservation. Double click on reservation, you will find the reservation. So what are the activities are there? What? That is the PR. The code is ME53. You can see the PR. Real time, you will not able to proceed PR to PO. In account assignment tab, you will see your work order. So what is our order? This is our order. Okay. This is our work order. And what is our PR? This is our PR. Okay. So I will proceed for that PR. Display. Okay. Display PR. So T code to convert PR to PO is ME 21L. So you need to create the PR. MP21L. Real time, this transition, you will not see the authorization to you. Enter. Okay. Document overview. Okay. Just go here in the variant, no variant defined. Just see purchase